Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from the names, prices, product codes, features, and launch dates. I'm going to put everything on the screen here. So as a practice, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so for today, we are going to discuss the DAMOFLAGE Collection for men's. That would be launching May 15, 2025. So first we have handle trunk. Price of this one is 9,850 USD. The material of this one is coated canvas in the DAMOFLAGE print. It would also have cowhide leather trims with detachable straps and bag tag. Next on the collection, we have the Christopher backpack, size MM. Price of this one is 3,450 USD, SKU M14952. This is the interior, so the main material, of course, is the DAMOFLAGE coated canvas with cowhide leather trims, and of course, it has the gunmetal hardware. Next on the collection, we have the very beautiful Rush Bum Bag. Price is 2,300 USD. This is very reminiscent of the bum bag that they have discontinued under the women's collection. So again, price is 2,300 USD. SKU M14920. Same material with black cowhide leather trims with gunmetal hardware. Next on the collection, so we have trunks. So first we have the 8-watch trunk case. Price of this one is 9,250 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the interior. So the main material is the coated canvas with the DAMOFLAGE print. It would come with cowhide leather trims, gunmetal hardware, S-lock for closure. Next on the collection, we have the Courier Luzine 110 centimeters. So hopefully I am pronouncing that right. For the price of this one, guys, I believe it would be available upon request. So kindly take note of the SKU and kindly confirm with your CAs or even on the website. So the main material is the DAMOFLAGE coated canvas with cowhide leather trim. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, going back to the program, next we have the Avenue Sling Bag. Price of this one is 2,060 USD. SKU M14953. So if you are looking for the perfect everyday bag or the perfect travel bag, then definitely this would be a good contender, the Avenue Sling Bag. So you could wear this one as a crossbody bag or even as a shoulder bag. So it comes also with the same materials. Then guys, this is actually one of my favorite in the collection, Nail NM. So for the price, unfortunately, it's not available, but we have SKU here. Main material is the coated canvas in the DAMOFLAGE print. It would come with black cowhide leather trims, gunmetal hardware. So what I love about this one, it comes with detachable leather top handle, and it comes with leather crossbody strap as well. Next on the collection, Pochette Voyage Supple. So hopefully I am pronouncing that right. So price unavailable, but we have SKU here of M 14926. So this is the interior. So this is a clutch bag, so you could definitely wear this one for evening events or maybe for a simple getaway. I love, of course, the coated canvas with the Damouflage print. Next on the collection, so definitely this is my top choice. It would be the Keepall size 25. Price is unavailable, but we have SKU here of M14919. So the main material is the coated canvas in the Damouflage print. Of course, it would come with the cowhide leather trims in black. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap and leather bag tag as well. Then, how beautiful and cute is this one? We have the soft mini trunk with SKU here for your reference because we do not have the price yet. So, of course, guys, this is the softer version of the truck version that Virgil Abloh initially have designed. So we have SKU here. Kindly take a screenshot. They have redesigned the chain strap that it comes with. So now it is a ball chain strap with the beautiful padlock detail. Same with this one, the steamer wearable wallet. So I would also like to remind you guys, if it's a wearable wallet, this is a wallet on chain size. So please take note of that one. SKU M14923. As you can see, the strap is non-detachable and it comes with the ball chain strap, and it would come with the very beautiful and unique Louis Vuitton padlock in the gunmetal colorway. Then for travel, we have Keepall size 50. For the price of this one is 3,950 USD. We have SKU here. So same material of the coated canvas in the Damouflage print. So guys, what do you prefer with the Damouflage print? Would it be like the green colorway or would it be the darker colorway with this one? Kindly comment down below. Would love to hear from you. Then we have some SLGs. First, we have pocket organizer. Price, please stand by, but take note of SKU of M14928. Please check with your CA and the website. It would be come with the coated canvas Damouflage print with cowhide leather interior as well. So if I have failed to mention, this collection, guys, is launching May 15th, 2025. Next SLG, we have slender wallet with SKU of M14922. So this one very cute. Actually, I really love the colorway of the Damouflage in this charcoal black colorway because I feel it is very hard wearing, and of course we could be assured that there will be no color transfer, so perfect for everyday use. Then we have this very beautiful port cards double. So it is a card holder that is a little bit upgraded. I'm guessing price of this one would be around 400 USD. Again, guys, kindly take note of the SKU M14929 so that you could double check with your CA. So same material that it would come with. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!